So we're going to start reviewing some of the bento boxes that I have and some that are on their way. We're going to start with this big wooden one. I get a lot of questions about it. Yes, it's steamed to make the shape, and then no nails, just the wooden staples. It's called Suri Urushi. It's from Bento & Co. I'll link it in the description. It comes with 2 layers. So that's just the lid, don't put anything in there. And then you've got your bottom layer and your top. It does come with a strap and a removable extra cup here. Sometimes I take it out, sometimes I don't. It can be really handy if you have, say, a saucy meat to put in there, and then your rice and whatever other dishes you're adding in. There's 460 milliliter capacity down here on the bottom layer and 420 in the upper layer. Combined is about 880 mils. That is a lot of food. So if you need to take in, say, somewhere between 2,000 calories a day, 2,500 a day, this will fit your lunch. If you need less, this will just encourage you to eat more, which, depending on your goals, might be a good thing, might be a bad thing. The plastic is all BPA free. This gasket goes on quite securely, though it is not waterproof. Most bentos aren't. It's a nice secure seal. I've never had any trouble with it. I actually really like this one, though over time the label gets worn off. So for your care and maintenance of this particular box, no dishwasher at all. Most bentos can't go in the dishwasher because of the paint on the top or on the sides. Any ones I've ever seen go into the dishwasher or that are able to go into the dishwasher don't have any decoration really to speak of. So this one is completely hand wash, and it's best if you don't put any saucy ingredients in the bottom layer. It is wood, it is sealed. I don't know if the camera's going to show, but these seams are really tight. There's nothing, you're not going to have any trouble with it, but I wouldn't put anything saucy down there. Also, over time, it can impact the wood, and these are a somewhat significant investment, so you kind of want to take care of that. Usually, the best way I have to work with these is as soon as they're emptied, rinse them out, dry them out, and then bring them home. Or my partner usually rinses his before he brings it home. Just that way we can take the best care of it that we can, and it can last as long as we want it to. Because these are very sturdy. They're not, we've had it for a couple of years now, and the only wear you can see is just this little tiny bit of chipping here. And I'm actually going to put a little bit of board oil on that after, and that'll be just fine. I've done it to the top a few times. There's a little tiny bit of chipping. These are definitely adult lunch boxes unless your kids are very, very careful. They come in a lot of different designs, shapes, sizes. Some have paint on them, some don't. But that's completely up to your preference. What do you want? If you have, pink cherry blossoms on it, you might feel a little bit weird using it in the fall. But if there's nothing on it, it can go for all year. Or maybe you just don't care about that and you want pink flowers all year round. So at the end of the day, do I recommend these boxes? Yeah, they're an investment. This one was $40 on sale, I believe. Currently it is 53 Canadian. So whatever that happens to be in your currency. So it's not a cheap box, but they are very nice. I have not had any troubles. There's no weird corners that food gets stuck into. Like I have another one that's a Lego bento. It's really cute, but it's got weird corners, and I'm always getting in there with a toothpick trying to get stuff out of the corners. I think they're a great investment, and if you're in the market for something for yourself, like a little treat for yourself, absolutely go for it.